Brook MacDonald, MS Mondraker team, 20 years old, ride a Mondraker Summum, custom frame, nothing too big, but just custom frame for us. Geometry, head angle is 63. Setup for me, I run the front forks are pretty, first bit of travel is pretty soft, and then like it to ramp up in big hits and track good across bumpy stuff, so it's sitting on top of everything. And rear end I like a little bit soft and rebound a little slow, and whatever my shop set up to now, it's good. I don't change my bike much at each race, I do 2 or 3 runs, and I let my mechanic know if there's something wrong with my suspension, my rear, my brakes are not working, but there's nothing much that I change from race to race. Tyres are running Schwabel Mighty Marys and Dirty Dans at the moment. Tyre pressure 28 in the front and 26 in the back. Bar width 7.5. Brake setup, I like it to come in a bit and then a hard bite. Seat, I have an SDG seat with some knobs on it. Grips, I have rental prototype soft compound grips. Chainring, rental chainring, set size 10. No custom mods on my bike, just the marsh guard. Any weight saving? No weight saving. My bike is pretty light as it is. It's 16.8 kilo and everything is pretty standard.